Most people join InboxDollars thinking they're about to make easy money online. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your actual earnings can look very different from the flashy claims you see on social media. In this video, I'll break down how much InboxDollars really pays in 2026, what affects your earnings the most, and whether the platform is actually worth your time. Let's get straight into it. InboxDollars is a rewards platform that pays users for completing activities like surveys, app downloads, cashback shopping, games, and promotional offers. Unlike some reward sites, it displays earnings directly in dollars instead of points, which makes tracking much easier. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners focus only on surveys, but surveys are usually one of the slower earning methods on the platform. For example, Alex from California spent about 30 minutes completing surveys and earned only a few dollars. But after switching to app offers and cashback deals, his earnings increased much faster with less frustration. But here's the problem. Many YouTube videos make it sound like people are earning hundreds of dollars every week casually. That's not realistic for most users. This is where most people fail. They expect full-time income from a rewards platform designed mainly for side earnings and small bonuses. So let's talk about realistic numbers. Casual users who spend a few minutes daily might earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per month. More active users focusing on higher-paying offers can sometimes reach $50 or more, depending on available promotions and location. Now here's where it gets even more important. Your country matters. Users in the US often receive better-paying offers compared to smaller regions, because advertisers target larger markets more aggressively. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to increase your InboxDollars earnings without spending all day on the platform. The best strategy is combining multiple earning methods instead of relying only on surveys. Cashback shopping is one of the smartest options because you earn rewards while buying things you already plan to purchase. Jake from Texas earned extra rewards during holiday shopping simply by activating InboxDollars cashback before checking out online. App testing offers can also pay surprisingly well. Some promotions reward users for downloading apps, creating accounts, or reaching game milestones. Those tasks usually outperform basic surveys by a huge margin. But remember this: not every offer is worth your time. Some high-paying tasks require deposits, subscriptions, or longer completion periods. Always read the instructions carefully before starting. Another thing worth mentioning is payout timing. InboxDollars does pay real users through PayPal and gift cards, but first withdrawals may take longer due to account verification checks. Now here's the honest reality. InboxDollars will not replace a normal income, but if you use it strategically during free time, it can absolutely cover small online purchases, subscriptions, gift cards, or extra spending money. So here's the bottom line. InboxDollars really does pay, but smart users focus on high-value offers, cashback opportunities, and consistency instead of grinding endless low-paying surveys. If you've used InboxDollars before, comment below with your biggest payout so viewers know what's realistic. And if this breakdown helped you understand the real earning potential, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest online earning reviews and tutorials.